I will tell you guys the benefit of these products and what makes these products different than others. Let's just jump into it. No one told me about mouth tapping until recently I discovered how beneficial is this. It improved my sleep quality by reducing snoring and promoting deeper rest, making it ideal for athletics and non-athletics alike. It promotes proper facial muscle alignment, helping to enhance natural contours, reduce sagging, and maximize facial puffiness for a more defined appearance. It also helps to shape my jawline by reducing mouth breathing. I also do less teeth grinding or clenching during my sleep. This exfoliator is like having a spa day at home. One of these gets sold every 2 minutes worldwide. Dermapeel is a top-selling product. It's an ultimate exfoliator giving a microdermabrasion-like treatment at home without the high tag price. It also helps the rest of your skincare absorb better, making it a must-have in my routine. It is such a good exfoliator. I massage my skin for like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go rinse my face and I'll be right back. It gives my skin like a little cooling sensation, and cooling sensation is good for your skin. It keeps the skin pulled up, it keeps the skin young. Here's my skin after. All the dead skin fell off and my skincare product absorbed better. Do you know how some girls shows off their skin fluffy, plumpy, beautiful, and juicy? Don't you want to know what they're doing different than you? Did you know in Central Asia, saffron extract has been used in food, now in skincare products? Did you know this facial serum has saffron extract, which effectively treats melasma and reduces skin pigmentation? Not only that, it reduces wrinkles on the face, illuminates the skin, leaving it fresh and radiant. And saffron extract nourishes, moisturizes, and leaving the skin soft and smooth. I definitely trust my new Abera Skin Renewing Serum. Have you seen those girls on social media plumping their skin, showing off their glowy, healthy, glass-like skin? Well, I have to confess, I'm one of those girls. Yes, I like to show off my skin because I worked for it very, very hard. And every step of skincare is very important to achieve glass-like skin. A good skincare can be a very basic or a very important step. That all depends on you. For me, a rose water toner is very, very important. This one is made with organic rose water. This toner refreshes, hydrates the skin while leaving with a dewy look. I use this as a face toner to cool, soothe, and revitalize my skin. I also use this to refresh my makeup throughout the day. The collagen peptides are infused to create simple and radiant complexion. Sometimes face sprays, toners, and mist are not giving that importance, but actually that's a very important step to keep your skin hydrated. I always wanted a 5-in-1 curling iron set. This one comes with 5 different kind of wand, clip, comb, and a glove. Before curling my hair, I like to straighten my hair with a brush wand. This curling iron set is a professional hairstyling tool designed to achieve a wide range of curling styles from loose waves to tight curl. It enhanced curling brush for scalp care. Definitely gives a rapid heat for a quick styling. It is designed to be safe. It is dual voltage, so it's worldwide use. I always wanted my hair to be curly, but unfortunately I have a straight hair. But look how pretty this looks. I'm obsessed with curly hair and I could wear this 24 hours for the rest of my life. Look how perfect and beautiful it looks. This is a perfect holiday gift for me. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with the Shimmer Shine. I use this on my hair and my body. Shimmer Shine is a lightweight finishing mist. It is specifically designed to give the hair an incredible shine and a revitalized and healthy glow. What's amazing is that it's infused with a natural ingredient that not only make my hair look fabulous, but also nourish and strengthen it. The best part is that it doesn't weight my hair down, so I can enjoy the benefit without any heaviness or greasiness. I also use this on my body. It feels so good. It looks so glowy and healthy, especially on my chest, neck, and shoulder. If you guys have any products in mind, let me know in the comment section. I'll buy it and review it for you guys. And if you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post every Saturdays and Sundays, and click the bell icon so we can stay in touch. Like always, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.